Do you dare to become a pioneer in the automatic motorbike wash model in your local area? A model that could change the traditional way of washing bikes that we have been familiar with for so long is the automatic motorbike wash machine, a trend that's being sought after and is sure to explode in the coming year. Today, Go&Go wants to share with you a business opportunity that's not only full of potential, but also has the ability to bring stable and long-term income. And the question is, do you dare to become a pioneer in your local area? It makes a very familiar situation. A customer goes to get their motorbike washed and has to wait 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes even longer, for their turn. When there are a few customers, the motorbike is washed quite carefully. But when there are many customers, their staff often work hastily and carelessly to serve the next customer. The consequence is that customers waste time and get full trades because the quality is not warranted. That is the biggest limitation of manual bike washing, as everything depends entirely on the worker and their mood and attitude. Now it made a different experience. Customers drive their bike to an automatic bike wash and in just 5 minutes, their bikes are sparkling clean from head to toe. They don't have to wait long, nor do they have to worry about sloppy work from the start. Each bike is washed evenly and equally clean. This is the difference that automatic bike washing brings, and that difference will be the key to helping you dominate the market from the start. Even more special is that the cost to wash a motorbike is only about 3 cents, including electricity, water, and chemicals, while the average price for the service on the market today is from $1 to $2 per vehicle. Thus, by serving just 50 bikes a day, the profit exceeds $1,000, not including other accompanying service. One of the biggest worries for traditional bike wash owners is labor. When there are few customers, employees sit around doing nothing. When it's busy, the work frantically, not to mention the worry about salaries, bonuses, and work attitude. But with the Go&Go automatic bike wash machine, you only need one operator. The machine will ensure its bike is washed quickly, cleanly, and evenly, saving on personnel costs and providing absolute peace of mind for customers. This is the factor that makes this model an inevitable change. So how do you get started? The first thing you need to do is experience the bike wash machine firsthand. Don't just listen to advertisement. Come to the Go&Go factory to see it with your own eye. Touch it with your own hand. See its actual operation. Washing quality, time, and cost. The next crucial step is choosing a location. A good location will determine the number of customers you attract. Choose location near residential area, markets, supermarkets, or major roads with high traffic. The space needs to be large enough for easy vehicle access and a waiting area for customers. Furthermore, to maximize profits, don't just focus on bike washing. You can combine various services today: oil change, vehicle maintenance, adding a coffee or beverage counter for customers to relax while waiting, and even selling bike accessories and parts. This additional revenue stream will help your bike wash grow more sustainably. Of course, to attract customers from the very beginning, you need a sound marketing strategy. Automatic bike washes are inherently novel and will create initial curiosity. But to retain customers, you need a clear plan. Launch with special offers to attract customers to experience the service. Promote on social media, targeting local customers. Offers attractive combo package so that bike wash and oil change at discounted price. Most importantly, ensure a perfect first experience. Customers will only return if they see that bike is sparkling, the staff are friendly, and the price is reasonable. And once satisfied, they will recommend more friends and family, bringing your business a natural and sustainable customer base. Imagine being the first to introduce the automatic bike wash model to your local area. At that point, not only will you have significant competitive advantage, but you will also build your personal brand as the pioneer, leading the trend and staying at least several years ahead of the competitor. The great thing is Go&Go won't let you go it alone. We don't just provide machinery, we offer comprehensive support from the first day, from site selection and business planning to transportation, installation, operational training, and ongoing business support. Opportunities never wait for anyone. If you truly want to start a business with a stable model, low labor dependence, and clear profitability, then start today. Don't let others be pioneers before you act. Contact Go&Go for details today, and let's work together to implement a successful business model and trend-setting business. Go&Go is delighted to accompany you on your journey to conquer the ultimate bike wash market.